Hi everyone! Today I'd like to show you how to fold a bird. And this is playful bird, which means you can play with it after you make one. The materials you need is an origami paper, and that's it. Maybe marker if you would like to add eyes on the bird. But otherwise, just I have here 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters origami. Now let's start. Flip the origami and fold into half to make a triangle. And then one more time, match this corner and match this corner together and make it smaller triangle. And rotate the triangle like this, and then you can have 1 and 2 layers here. Now you fold it up like this and flip it over, and along with, if you flip this over, along with this line, you match this line and then fold this side up like this. And guess what? This is a bird. See, it's very easy. And how you can play with this is just like this. You push on top and then it flips his wings. I hope you and your toddler or preschooler can have fun with this bird. Thank you for watching.